Hi. So what we're going to look at here is how to divide decimals, and that is when I'm dividing a number by a decimal, which probably sounds horrible, but it's not that bad. Okay. So hopefully what we remember is that division is essentially we can write every division like a fraction. Okay. The fraction line is just a division sign. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do that for every single one of these, and then I'm going to make it easier using our stuff from fractions. Okay. So I can rewrite 10 divided by 0.4 as 10 divided by 0.4. Now if you remember, we can change the fraction as long as what we do to the top, we also do to the bottom. I'm going to get rid of that decimal. Sorry, I was getting on the pen. I'm going to get rid of that decimal by multiplying both the top and the bottom until I get rid of it. You can see that there's only one decimal point, one place, one number beyond the decimal point, so I'm just going to multiply by 10. So you can see I've done the 10 times by 10, which gives me 100, and then the 0.4 multiplied by 10, which gives me 4. And then all we need to do is 100 divided by 4, which hopefully you should be able to work out is 25. So we're dividing decimals, but I'm working at them in a way that means I don't have to deal with the decimals. I'm changing it to be a calculation which I'm better at solving. Okay? So I'll do the same thing for the next one. Some people might be able to start working these out in their head, but if you need to do the written out version, that's fine. Hopefully now though, you can see from example 3, I can't just multiply by 10. Hopefully you can see why I had to multiply by 100 is because we're dividing by 0.09, and in order to get that to have no decimals, we need to multiply by 100. And then you're thinking 2,700 divided by 9, that's really complicated. Cover the zeros, we get 27 divided by 9, which is just 3, and then add in the 2 zeros again. So you can see here, we've got 2 decimals, but it's fine, just do the exact same method, and it ends up being really straightforward. It's just 6 divided by 2, which is 3. So now we've got 2 decimals, but it's not going to be as easy as that. So I had to multiply both of them by 100, which did make us have a bigger number than we needed to on the bottom, but that's just the way we're going to have to do it. And it's 8 divided by 40, which is just 2 divided by 10, or 2 tenths, which is just 0.2. Last one. So the best way to deal with division of decimals is just to make it not a division of decimals question. Okay? So we rewrite them as fractions, and then we just deal with them so that we can deal with the fractions in a better way. Okay? So that is dividing decimals by decimals, or whole numbers by decimals in some cases.